Hello and welcome to Answering ATPL. In this ATPL question bank video series for general navigation subject, I am going to show you how to solve this grid navigation question. This video is a part of a playlist where I show the method, technique and trick to answer ATPL question. Check out the playlist, a link is available in the description. Refer to figure 061-02. Assume a north polar stereographic chart whose grid is aligned with the Greenwich meridian. An aircraft flies from the geographic North Pole for a distance of 480 nautical miles along the 110° east meridian, then follows a grid track of 154° for a distance of 300 nautical miles. Its position is now approximately. The optional answer are A. 70° 15' north 080° east, B. 80° north 080° east, C. 78° 45' north 087° east, and D. 79° 15' north 074° east. This is figure 061-02. This figure represents North Polar Stereographic Chart. In my previous video titled Grid Navigation, I explained the convention of drawing polar stereographic chart to be used with grid navigation question. Link to the video is available in the description. The reason why we draw like this is to ensure that our grid north will always point to the top of the paper, or in this case, top of the screen. This question is referred to North Polar Stereographic Chart, whose grid is aligned with the Greenwich meridian. The figure that is highlighted in the red box is the one that we need to use to answer this question. If we compare our drawing convention and figure 061-02, we have one common point, that is 090° east. Now we need to align the figure given by the question to our drawing convention. By comparing these two diagrams, we can determine the position of prime meridian and anti-meridian. The question stated that an aircraft flies from the geographic North Pole for a distance of 480 nautical miles along the 110° east meridian. 110° east meridian is here. Next, we need to find how long is 480 nautical miles on the chart. To solve this, we need to recall a fact that I stated in my previous video titled Properties of the Earth. Link to the video is available in the description. 1 degree change in latitude is equal to 60 nautical miles. From the North Pole to 80° north latitude, the latitude change is 10 degrees, which is equivalent to 600 nautical miles. To utilize this information, we need to physically measure the distance between North Pole to 80° north on the chart using a ruler. The length is 36 mm. A word of caution, this figure is for this chart and this ruler. When you do this question on your own, the figure might be different. The reason why it might be different is the chart size will change depending on the scale and how you print it. From the measurement, we can say that 600 nautical mile Earth distance is equivalent to 36 mm chart distance. Therefore, 1 nautical mile Earth distance is equivalent to 36 over 600 mm. 480 nautical mile is equivalent to 36 over 600 multiplied by 480 mm. 480 nautical mile Earth distance is equivalent to 28.8 mm. Next, we need to align the ruler to 110° east. Mark 28.8 mm on the chart. Try to be as accurate as possible. Next, draw our track from the North Pole to the mark. We now have our first position. Refer back to the question. Then follows a grid track of 154 degree for a distance of 300 nautical mile. We need to determine our track. To determine our track, we need to use a protractor. Align the protractor to our first position. North of the protractor need to be aligned to the grid north. Since we have aligned this chart to the drawing convention, our grid north is located at the top of the screen. After everything has aligned to its appropriate place, mark 154 degree. Remove the protractor. Draw a straight line to mark our second track. We now have our second track. Next, we need to find the chart distance for 300 nautical mile Earth distance. 300 nautical mile is equivalent to 36 over 600 multiplied by 300 millimeter. 300 nautical mile Earth distance is equivalent to 18 millimeter chart distance. Next, align the ruler with our second track. Mark 18 mm as accurately as possible. Now we have the final position. Read the final position. It is approximately 80 degree north and 80 degree east. The answer is B. What do you think of this video? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you find the video beneficial, please like it and share with others. By doing so, you will help other people to find the video. If you want to learn more about ATPL or other aviation related stuff, subscribe now by clicking on the round subscribe icon. Please check out my other video by clicking on the rectangular box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.